New eatery, the Konkan Bar and Grill restaurant, opening its doors in the capital this week. Devin Johnson is managing chef and general manager.
This establishment is the one and only sports bar. The experience you will receive here is one you will never experience nowhere else in the country. Right now we're located in the Pompey Square, but we're looking at 4 other locations. Pompey Square is down Bay Street, and this has one of the busiest tourist areas I've ever seen. Since I've been down here for the last 5 months, I've seen cruise ships come in, and I saw at least 4,000 persons pass through this square on any given day.
Located in the busy Pompey Square, Chef Johnson is insisting that they will offer 5-star ambience, 5-star quality, and 5-star service.
I did all of the training with them. We have 32 staff so far to start, but as business grow, I would be thinking that we would be needing more. Our concept, our motto, "Get Conked Out," is one you will hear all over throughout the Caribbean in short order. And the staff, we have different signature ways of approaching the guests and approaching the table. I had persons already taste menu items and they couldn't believe the flavors they got.
For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Gina Seeley.